So there's a food truck in Canton, Michigan that sells biryani burrito. So we're gonna go check them out right now. How's it going? Good. Biryani burrito. I'll do one order of that. I'll do one order of samosa chaat. Your Desi fried shawarma. Kadak chai. Boti roll. Do you have that? All right, let's try out the food. This is a Desi fried chicken shawarma sandwich. Try first?
For sure.
Pretty good. Samosa chaat.
My fave.
The samosa chaat looks good. Not bad. Definitely fresh.
I'm just here for the food.
Light boti roll. Now they look great. If you take the first bite, they look great. Great. Yo. So far, this is the best thing. Definitely 10 out of 10.
For sure.
Star of the show, the reason I came out here, the biryani burrito. Now, honestly, nobody can make biryani as good as my mom. So, I am pretty picky when it comes to biryani. But I do love burritos, so let's test it out. It's a little sloppy. Crust is nice. Honestly, I'd rather just eat the biryani by itself. Honestly, not bad. The biryani tastes good.
Biryani tastes good, but your mom's is better.
Oh, for sure. Overall, I'll give this food 8 out of 10. The service was all right, but the parking situation is definitely 6 out of 10.